tokens on Pumpfun. Let's assume now that you have your wallet already funded, the wallet you connected, and right now I have 0 Sol in this wallet because it's what I use for making videos. So now you're going to click on buy any amount of Solana you wish to buy. This is reset. You have 0.1, you have 0.5, you have 1 Sol. So now the DeepSeek meta is actually on the rise right now, and you see it's almost 54% to the bonding is completed. So let's assume I want to buy 1 Solana. I'll just click 1 Solana. And when I click on it, it says insufficient, but adibin I have more than 1 Solana here. I just place the trade and it goes automatically into this wallet. So when I want to sell too, I also use here. But the difficulty here, the hinge in the neck in here in this part of trading directly on Pumpfun is that it's slow and it takes time to verify transactions. So I use bots like Photon, I use BullX, I also use bots like Trojan bots. So I use it for faster transactions. So this is how to trade actually on Pumpfun, to buy and sell directly on Pumpfun without having to wait or copy the contract to go to the bot to trade if you feel like you want to front run or anything.